Hi, this is Jason with McGuire's Clocks. It is March 10th, and this is our current selection of battery-operated wall clocks. We carry Bulova, Seiko, and Howard Miller. All of them will play Westminster, and all of them will have a second chime. Depending on the model, it will either be Whittington or Ave Maria. Come in a variety of different shapes and sizes, different dials and pendulums. Prices start at around $200 and just go up depending on size and intricacy of the case itself. And this is the battery operated selection. We also carry key wind wall clocks, and you can see those in another video that I'll be putting up shortly.